Hi, we are in Veneto Meni. This is ARTABOO 2.
Like if you're a kind of magnet, come together.
So it's really amazing because we're here with a lot of different nationalities. And well, I'm from the Dutch team, so we have Holland, Romanian, Cyprus, Sweden, and of course Spain.
Creo que es un intercambio que nos enriquece tanto a nosotros como a ellos.
What is community art?
To create this amazing artwork, we wrote a manifesto all together to make sure that the artwork is something common, that the artwork is something that we are creating together, all of us, but also for the residents of the hospital, for our neighbors, and for the city.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.